Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and tonight it is Sunday. It is 7 o'clock at night, and I'm getting ready to put cook some beans in my Ninja Foodi, and I just wanted to bring y'all along and show you how easy it is. It's going to be that you do the same thing in the Ninja Foodi that you would do in your Instant Pot. I've got it in the pressure part of it. I've got about, let's see, I think this is, let me get you down here. I think this is about 2 pounds of Great Northern beans. I've got 10 cups of water in here. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of salt. I've heard several people say lately that putting salt in your beans makes your beans hard. I have been making pinto beans for, let's see, 63, 40, at least 40 years. Probably closer to about 43, 44 years. And I'm going to put this. I'm going to add some more, but I'm going to put a tablespoon of kosher salt in here. All right. I'm going to add about a half of a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. And I'm really upset about this because I had been planning on fixing these beans, and I knew I had some fat meat in the refrigerator, and I was going to put the fat meat in there. And when I got the fat meat out and got ready to get it out so I could show y'all, it had gone bad, and it wasn't even to the date yet. So that's really upset me a lot. But what I'm going to do is I've got this broth base and seasoning, chicken flavored. I'm going to put that in here. A lot of people, I think, put, maybe it's bacon. I don't know. I'm kind of picky about stuff, and I know I've told y'all this before, but I'm kind of like, I've got a ton of spices and herbs and, spices or whatever, and a lot of them I don't even use because I am just a plain Jane. Y'all know I don't like garlic. I do like onions. Onions, you can put as much onions in something as you want. I love onions, but I do not like garlic. I do not like bacon. I wouldn't, bacon and beans to me is horrible. Let's see, what else well, I started to put some butter in here, but then I remembered that I had this. So we're going to try this, and this is, I got it at Walmart. It's Orrington Farms broth base and seasoning, chicken flavored. So I'm going to go on and put, it says for each 2 teaspoons broth base and 1 cup of water. So I'm going to go on, 2 teaspoons of the broth base makes 1 cup of broth. So I'm going to go on and put, I've got 1 tablespoon right there. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to put 2.5 tablespoons of the chicken broth. And there, let me get out a spoon here. A poon, as my daughter used to say, a poon. All right, stir this up. Like I said, this is in the Ninja Foodi, but you would do the very exact same thing in your Instant Pot. If you have an Instant Pot, I'm just using my Foodi because I'm just can't let it you know, I gotta use it. It's too much money to not use. All right, so I'm going to go on and put my lid on here. I've got it locked. I've got it on sealing in the back. I've got it, I'm going to push pressure. I want it on high. And I'm going to go up to, whoops. I'm going to go 35 minutes on these. And I'm just going to let these cook, and I will bring you back. It might be tomorrow because I'm just cooking these tonight because I wanted to get this done, because I'm going to put something else in here later on. I'll have to bring you back for that. Alright, so I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's been, they've been done 3 hours. I fell asleep. And now it's 20 to 12 at night. And I've got to, I'm going to take the lid off. Come on. They've been in warm. I'm going to get some and taste them. And then I'm going to put these up. I don't know. Gosh, these are going to have to cool off for a minute. So I'll bring you back when they cool off and I get ready to taste them. Okay, let me taste these and see what they taste like. I've just got them on a paper plate with a plastic spoon. Okay, y'all. Alright. Now, let me tell you. They have a different taste than they would if I had used the fatback, whatever it is. The pork meat or whatever. Grandma called it fatback, so salt is what is, I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I had to throw it away. And I don't know how I'm gonna feel about these. The salt didn't make them hard at all, in the least, which I knew it wouldn't. Alright. I think they'll be okay with, I'm going to fix some cornbread tomorrow with them, and I think they'll be okay with that, but it's definitely a different taste with that chicken broth, mix or whatever. Alright. So you can see it's exactly as the Instant Pot. It just that the Ninja Foodi does everything that there is to be done. It pressure cooks, it air crisps, it steams, it bakes and roasts, it slow cooks, it broils, it sears and sautés, it dehydrates. It's on keep warm. It's been on keep warm for 3 hours and 5 minutes now. So, it's the same as the Instant Pot. So any recipes that I show y'all for the Ninja Foodi can be done in the Instant Pot and vice versa. Pretty much anything you do in the Instant Pot can be done in the Ninja Foodi, except for the fact that you can crisp things. You can, like earlier today, I fixed a sandwich. I fixed a BLT, and I just put the bread in the basket for the Ninja Foodi and toasted up some bread. So, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram. I also There are also links to different things below that I use in my own kitchen, and you can click on those links and see if you would like to own them as well. So I'm going to get off of here. I will bring you back in another video tomorrow. So talk to you later. Bye.